In today's video, I'll show you how to create team scheduling in Calendly step by step. Team scheduling is ideal for businesses that have multiple team members handling meetings, sales calls, support requests, consultations, or client appointments. First, sign into your Calendly account and go to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, make sure you're using a Calendly plan that supports team features. Next, navigate to the Teams or Users section from the main dashboard. Click Invite Users or Add Team Members. Enter the email addresses of the team members you want to add and send the invitations. After your team members accept the invitations, they'll become part of your Calendly workspace. Now it's time to create a team event. Go to the Event Types section and click Create. Calendly offers several team scheduling options, including round-robin and collective events. Choose the option that best matches your workflow. For example, select Round Robin if you want meetings distributed automatically among available team members. Or choose Collective if multiple team members need to attend the same meeting together. Next, give your event a name and set the meeting duration. Now select the team members who should participate in this event. Calendly will use their connected calendars and availability to determine when meetings can be scheduled. After that, configure availability settings. You can use each team member's individual schedule or create custom availability rules for the event. Next, choose the meeting location. You can use Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, phone calls, or in-person meetings depending on your needs. Now customize the booking form. Add any questions you'd like invitees to answer before booking, such as company information, meeting objectives, or support requests. You can also set confirmation emails, reminders, and follow-up workflows to automate communication. Once everything is configured, click Save or Publish. Your team scheduling link is now live and ready to share. Before finishing, test the booking page to ensure meetings are assigned correctly and availability is displaying as expected. And that's it. You've successfully created team scheduling in Calendly and built a collaborative booking system for your organization. And that's how you create team scheduling in Calendly. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.